3500. Ram 3500 is a solid option for truck buyers in need of hauling capacity and serious towing. With names like Hemi and Cummins under the hood, there is plenty of muscle to back it up. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, tow hitch, heated mirrors, brake assist, traction control, stability control, remote keyless entry, tires, front all season, tires, rear all season, integrated turn signal mirrors. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.